prime and composite numbers. Objectives. In this session, you will be learning prime numbers, composite numbers, co-prime numbers, twin primes, prime triplet, and even and odd numbers. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers that have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. There are total 25 prime numbers between 1 to 100 and they are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 51, 76, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. Note, number 2 is the smallest prime. Number 2 is the only even prime number. All other even are composite. Every prime except 2 is an odd number. To check whether a number up to 200 is prime or not, divide that number by the prime numbers less than 15. Means divide the number by 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. If that is divisible by any of these prime numbers, then it is not a prime number. Otherwise, it is a prime number. For example, find whether the number 127 is prime or not. First, we'll divide it by 2. It is not divisible. Then we will divide it by 3. It is still not divisible. Then we will divide it by 5. It is again not divisible. Then we will divide it by 7. It is again not divisible. Then we will divide it by 11. It is again not divisible. At last we will divide it by 13. Still it is not divisible. So the number 127 is a prime number. To check whether a number up to 400 is a prime or not, divide that number by the prime numbers less than 20. Means divide the number by 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. If that is divisible by any of these prime numbers, then it is not a prime number. Otherwise, it is a prime number. For example, find whether the number 399 is a prime number or not. First, we'll divide the number by 2. It is not divisible. Then, we will divide the number by 3. It is divisible. So, the number 399 is not a prime number. Co-prime numbers. Two numbers that have only 1 as their common factor is known as co-primes. Thus, all prime numbers are co-prime numbers. However, composite numbers can also be co-prime numbers. For example, 7 and 5. Factors of 7 are 1 and 7, and the factors of 5 are 1 and 5. So the common factor is the 7 and 5 are co-primes. Let's take another example. 4 and 15. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. And the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. The common factor is 1. So 4 and 15 are co-primes. Also note that 4 and 15 are composite numbers, whereas in the previous example, 7 and 5 were prime numbers. Twin primes. Two prime numbers that have a gap of only one digit between them are known as twin primes. For example, 17 and 19. The only digit between them is 18. 5 and 7. The only digit between them is 6. 11 and 13. The only digit between them is 12. There are many other examples other than these. Prime triplet. A set of three consecutive numbers differing by 2 is called prime triplet. The only prime triplet is 3, 5 and 7. You can see that the difference between 3 and 5 is 2, and the difference between 5 and 7 is also 2. Even and odd numbers. The numbers that are exactly divisible by 2, or we can say that the numbers that end with or have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at units place are called even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and so on. The numbers that are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and so on. There are some easy ways that can be used to check the divisibility of numbers. These are called divisibility rules. You will know about this in my next video. Please like and share my video. Also, subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.